Welcome. In this video, you'll learn the latest way to control who can comment on your Facebook cover photo using your PC. If you want only the people or pages you specifically mention to join the conversation, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your computer and have the Facebook app open. Take a look to the top of your homepage. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click it. This takes you right to your profile. Now, focus on your cover photo at the top of your profile. Hover your cursor over the image and simply click on it to highlight your cover photo options. Look just beneath your cover photo and spot the three-dot icon. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu packed with custom options. In this menu, select Who can comment on your post. A set of choices will pop up, allowing you to fine-tune your comment privacy. For maximum control, choose the option called Profiles and Pages You Mention. This means only the people or pages you have specifically tagged in your cover photo post will be allowed to leave a comment. This update gives you the power to eliminate unwanted or random comments while keeping your Facebook space focused and relevant. Once you've made your choice, simply click Done. Facebook will save your preference instantly, locking in your new comment setting. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've made your cover photo comments exclusive to only those you mention, keeping your profile engaging and clutter-free. If you found this helpful, let me know with a like or a comment below. For more up-to-date tips on optimizing your social media experience, subscribe for the latest guides right here. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private, personalized Facebook profile.